My name is Dr. Kinyo Gikunda, and today at DeKUT we are very pleased to host the Microsoft team. We had a very successful event, starting with meeting the faculty members and talking with students, and also exploring different ways on how we can partner and how we can collaborate. And the main objective is to find ways on how to bring the industry to the classroom by impacting the student with the right skills and the right mindsets on how to tackle different real-world problems, and also to be able to find ways on how we can bridge the gap that is normally experienced between the industry and the academics.
I am Irene Gidinji. I'm the Education Engagements Lead at the Africa Development Center at Microsoft. We were here to drive our ADC Campus Tours program. With the campus tours, what we set to achieve is meeting with the faculty to better understand some of the areas that they're interested in computing and ways that we can collaborate as faculty and the Africa Development Center. With students, we give them an opportunity to know what we do as the Africa Development Center in terms of training programs, developer tools, and how we support the developer ecosystem and how we build the students' developer space.
My name is Majari Wanjiru. I am one of the Microsoft Land student ambassadors here in DeKUT. So today we had a session with Microsoft ADC where they came and joined us and shared sessions about their recruitment process, part of the things we can do as student developers, and the tools and the services they provide that can foster us. So what I'm expecting going forward is partnership with Microsoft ADC to help us as students to get to use those developers tools to upskill our skill and make us ready for the job market, as well as work on our projects and showcase them in prestigious competitions such as the Imagine Cup and the Game of Learners.
My name is Catherine Muraga. I'm the Managing Director at Africa Development Center in Nairobi. I'm very excited about today's visit at Dedan Kimathi University. And for one special reason, we are building Silicon Savannah. Microsoft ADC continues to partner with the world of academia because we need to fill this continent, we need to fill this country with digital skilling. We need to continually improve digital fluency. And we look forward to partnering with DeKUT in 3 ways. Continued engagement with students, and I urge the students to take advantage of Azure credits, sign up and take up the courses, the certifications in fundamental exams. Secondly, looking forward to partner with faculty through training, and also thirdly, partnering with faculty to review curriculum. Because as I said, we are together building a Silicon Savannah, improving the digital fluency in this country and the continent. Our engagement today as Microsoft ADC here at Dedan Kimathi was really to hone in on students taking any STEM-related course: statistics, mathematics, engineering, computer science, cybersecurity, data science, because these are some of the capabilities we continue to hire as Microsoft as we continue to develop some of the products that are loved and used by customers globally.
Today I've learned a lot about the Microsoft recruitment process. I've learned how to foster and bridge my CV towards the roles that I apply for. I have learned about life at Microsoft and the opportunities that are available for me and the tools that I can foster to create my own projects.
We have a lot more that we will definitely share in terms of programs, in terms of engagements, and also skilling opportunities for both faculty and students. So some of the areas that we see close collaboration is curriculum reviews. For example, we're happy to come in and support on some of the curriculum review cycles at the university. Another key area is on guest lectures. So ADC has a guest lecture program where we come in and we can co-teach some of the key technical courses at the university. Another key and big area for us is our faculty skilling program. So we have extended an opportunity for some of the lecturers at Dedan Kimathi University to join us for our faculty skilling program. On the student side, it's to expose them on some of the key roles that we have in the technology space. So some of the roles that we have in ADC, from software engineering to content writing to product management. So giving them an overview of what it takes to get a role at the Microsoft Africa Development Center. From a future collaboration perspective, looking forward to partnering with the university. Microsoft continues to offer internship positions. These are normally advertised on our website, careers.microsoft.com. Also looking forward to partnering with the students through what we call Game of Learners, where we introduce students a hackathon project where you're taught how to move from ideation to a minimum viable product.
My name is Mark Gatere, and I'm one of the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors here at DeKUT. And today we had a super informative and a super insightful session by Microsoft Kenya, Microsoft ADC. They had paid a visit here at DeKUT, and they have helped a number of students from them that have talked to, and even I had a number of students who are skeptical about getting into technology because they are not pursuing tech courses, but after today's session they have been motivated, and they feel like they also belong into technology. So we had a super insightful session. Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors program is a community here at DeKUT where we help students from the word go by helping them with resources, guiding them in their journey to tech, and giving them a clear path to success in their journey in technology. So Microsoft Student Ambassador, we are here at DeKUT, and we are here to help students grow in their skills in technology.
The event has been very successful, and we are hoping the kind of discussion and potential collaborations that have been discussed today will be achieved, and this way then the right impact of the industry vis-a-vis the academic institution will be felt and achieved at the end of the day.
I look forward to future collaboration with Dedan Kimathi University by way of how do we come together and partner with the students in this 5-week program we run called Game of Learners. How do we, looking forward to partnering with faculty on faculty skilling, looking forward to partner also in Imagine Cup, also looking forward to partnering in terms of research,